Hi, welcome to 5-Minute Chemistry with Always Eclectic Stacy. This is the covalent bond series, and this is the first example of a VSEPR and Lewis structure and how they work together. Let's go. Hi, and welcome back to 5-Minute Chemistry. Today we're going to do some examples of VSEPR models with Lewis structures. So today we're going to do one example at a time, and then you can go on to the next video for the next example. So the first one we're going to talk about is OF₂. So oxygen trifluoride. So let's write that out. It's oxygen trifluoride. Just so that we keep working on those things. So the first thing we're going to do is remember we're going to do the electronegativity to see if it's polar or not. So oxygen's 3.5. And fluorine is 4.0. So 4.0 minus 3.5 gives us a 0.5. So this means it's going to be slightly polar. Towards fluorine. So then we go ahead and we're going to go ahead and draw the Lewis structure. So oxygen, remember, we're going to draw the Lewis dot. It's dot, 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 dot. It's got 6 valence electrons. We're going to go ahead and draw the fluorine. You only have to draw one of each to start with. And that has 7 valence electrons. So we're going to go ahead and put oxygen in the middle because it has these 2 free valence electrons that can go ahead and bond with it. So we're going to go ahead and put oxygen in the middle. We're going to add fluorine. And because it's slightly polar, you can go ahead and make it at an angle like this to the fluorine. And we go ahead and fill in the Lewis dot for oxygen. And we can draw in our positive. So oxygen is going to be that slightly positive. Sorry, I don't draw these very well. And fluorine is going to be this slightly negative pole. But we also have to name the VSEPR model or the molecular geometry. So what we're going to do is count the number of bonding pairs. So how many pairs of bonds do we have? And we have 1, 2. So we have 2 bonding pairs. We also have number of lone pairs. Now, if you're looking at fluorine and counting those up, we're only talking about the central atom, and oxygen is the central atom, and we have 1, 2 lone pairs in the central atom. So then we look up our molecular geometry chart, and we go, what has both 2 bonding pairs and 2 lone pairs? And that would be the molecular geometry of trigonal planar. Okay, perfect. This is an example of VSEPR with Lewis structure. For oxygen trifluoride, we showed polarity. We showed how the Lewis dots became Lewis structures. We wrote in our poles. We counted bonding pairs and lone pairs, and then we named the shape of a trigonal planar. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching Always Eclectic Stacy. This is 5-Minute Chemistry. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.